My uppie loved the spring, a time to start her garden. My whole life, my uppie had a beautiful, wonderful garden. I'm going to read a poem called A Prayer in Spring. It's about addressing the divine, quest for happiness, observing and appreciating delight and the love of nature. Focuses on love and gratitude of the coming spring. No one I have ever met meditated more on this than my uppie. A Prayer in Spring. Oh, give us pleasure in the flowers today, and give us not to think so far away. As the uncertain harvests keep us here, all simply in the springing of the year. Oh, give us pleasure in the orchid white, like nothing else by day, like by night. And make us happy in the happy bees, the swarm dilating round the perfect trees. And make us happy in the darting bird that suddenly above the bees is heard, the meteor that thrusts in with the needle bill and off a blossom in midair stands still. For this love and nothing else is love, the which it is reserved for God above, to sanctify to what far ends he will, but which it only needs that we fulfill.